Oh, just having a good day at the Fortress of Solitude. What was that? Haha, it was me, Superman. You wanna fight? And I'm gonna fight you. You wanna fight me? Okay. If you want to. I mean, your choice to do that. Why? You scared? Oh, I'm not scared. You should be the one who's scared. Oh man, my head's stuck. My head's stuck. No. That's right. Oh man, I missed you. Oh, but I'm gonna get you this time. I win. Yes.